I purchased this smart garage controller, MyQ, and basically allows you to connect it to the Tesla so that you can go in and out of the garage without having to physically press a button or anything. It'll automatically detect it. We have to hook it up to the network here at home. So I'll take you through those steps, and then I'll take you through the steps of connecting it to the Tesla. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is check to see if your garage door opener is compatible with the MyQ Smart Garage Control. And you can go to this link, and there's a bunch of different brands there. Check compatibility. Once you've ordered and received the product, go through these steps on the screen. Download the MyQ app, set up an account, and right now we'll go through the process of adding the Smart Garage Control. On the MyQ app, tap the plus sign and select Device. Scroll to select Smart Garage Hub. Now tap Smart Garage Control. Here's a list of items and info needed. Go ahead and check all and tap I'm ready. Plug in your device to an electrical outlet out in the garage. So I've plugged in my device here in the garage, and that light's blinking as expected. Now back to the app, tap Next, tap on the Discover device, tap Pair to pair with your phone, choose your Wi-Fi network, SSID, and then type in the password. Tap Next, and this will complete the connection to your home network. Now let's program it to the garage door. So now I'm gonna press the Learn button on my Genie so it can pair with the app. As soon as the light comes on, let it go. Now it's pairing. Now it's complete. Go ahead and tap Next and Next. Now it's time to install the control hub. As you can see here in the MyQ app, you can install the hub on the garage walls or ceiling. Just make sure it's at least 6 feet above ground. The installation is straightforward. You have the mount, 2 anchors, 2 screws, and of course the hub. Use the mount as a guide to mark the location where you'll drill the holes. For the mount, drill the holes, insert the anchor, screw in the mount, mount the hub, and connect it to the electrical outlet. Done. Now let's install the door sensor. I chose the right up top of the garage. Place the double-sided Velcro on the back as shown here. Clean the area to remove the dust and debris. Then place the door sensor and hold it for 30 seconds to make sure it's secured in place. Okay, so now that we have the devices installed and programmed to the garage, let's go ahead and link it to the Tesla. So you click on Controls. Press this garage icon and link MyQ account. And now we need to scan this QR code. So now open the camera app on your mobile device and scan the QR code. Tap to open the link. Tap sign in with MyQ and tap begin trial. There is a subscription required to connect it to a Tesla, but it's one plan for multiple vehicles and it's very affordable. All right, so the garage is MyQ is communicating with the Tesla now, so let's see if it auto closes when I back up, and then we'll test that it auto opens once I come back. Oh, there it goes, starting to close. So that worked. All right, so I'm close to the house now. We'll see if the garage door opens automatically once it senses it 70 feet from the house. So we'll see. Should be opening by now, I think. Maybe I'll have to increase the distance. That way I don't have to wait. But it worked. So one thing to note is that before you leave, you still have to open the garage prior to. That's not gonna, auto detect it. But you can easily open the garage from the touch panel now, right here where it says open. So you press that and it'll open up the garage. Or you can also do it from the mobile app. And I really like that you can do it from the app. It gives you the ability to open it from anywhere. You can be at work, and let's say your daughter or son or whatever comes from home from school and they forget their keys. You can open the garage for them from work, which is pretty awesome. Or when you bring in groceries or whatever and you forget to close the garage, you can just do it from the app and you don't have to come back to the garage to close it. Cool stuff, man.